Here, I'll help you.
No, leave her alone.
Let her alone.
I want to see. I want to see.
Picking her up.
Yeah. Oh, look at her. Proud mama.
Ah, it's so cute. Oh, dropped her. Get her. Hold up. Racy, back up.
Racy, back up.
It's okay. You can come.
Why is so cute? Want to see.
She says, you go in here with the other babies.
Huh? And Mama's come and get you home.
That's a good kitty. Let's take a look at them other babies. Don't lay on them, Mommy.
It's sticking to there.
They all want some Mommy. You all want Mommy. All right, let's go.
Sticking in there.